There you go, Simon.
He's talking to you. Can you talk back? Can you talk back? Can you talk back? Want to play high fives? Let's not bonk big heads. That would be hurting, though. That would not feel good. Her head would hurt you. Look how big her head is next to him. It's not like his face.
It's like Sputnik.
It's like an orange on a toothpick. She is.
Yeah.
She is. I call her my olive on the toothpick.
What do you think of those babies, Grandma?
Can you believe you have four great grandbabies?
I said, what do you think of those babies?
Oh, they're darlings. They're
Pretty fun.
Pretty cool. Simon.
real proud.
Hi, buddy. Hi, Simon. He's such a happy boy. My goodness. There's Ronan. How you doing?
Good.
That's a boy. Holly. Mama Laura. Big John. And babies.
Yeah, you guys
Like-
are gonna play. You're gonna share. Good sharing. Good sharing, sweet love.
Did you see that me again?
I did. Good sharing.
Amelia's not really sure. Like, there's another baby on this planet.
Oh, gotcha. Well, she sees babies every week, but
Yeah, but I don't know. There's something. She's just a little standoffish, isn't she?
she always watches. At our playgroup, she always just kind of sits back and watches. Oh, you got me.
Well, get used to it, kid. That's your cousin. So
Right.
let me seeing him.
He says, I want to play with that too, please.
Yeah.
Thank you.
They handed that necklace back and forth about 4 times in 1 minute. It was pretty funny.
Handed Simon to play and then handed back to you to play.
He's just a lot quicker than she is. I think it's. He says, "Oh, that looks like a fun toy." Yeah, I think so too.
Well, he's got his big brother to watch. He wants to be just
so
like his big brother, I bet.
He watches Ronan do everything.
Yeah.
I was thinking from your angle.
Everything you do.
Like at the Simon's head.
I got my shoe.
Can you show your own way?
Amelie! Amelie me! Yeah, there's
Careful there, guy.
Grandma.
I love this. I kind of want one for myself.
Pretty neat, right?
Hi, sweetums.
Still working in a place with cubicles or something.
She just wants. She wants to share with Simon. She wants to hand it. She wants to hand it to Simon.
Kid falls asleep in class.
Yeah. Yay! Good job sharing. Good job sharing. Good job sharing. Yeah. Is this stop right here, honey?
Yeah.
Okay.
I need to do more